This is Wendy Easler, Stampin' Up! Independent Demonstrator, coming to you with not only a project completed, excuse me, but it's part of a challenge. Hashtag Posh Paper Lady was offering a challenge on her budget crafting with envelopes, craft your stash. I ended up wanting to participate in this challenge, so I combined her project with a card from Cheri's cards, the faux museum glass card. And Posh Paper Lady challenge with Cheri's faux museum glass card equals this little pretty. So this is a project that was a challenge from Posh Paper Lady. So technically this is 2 5x7 envelopes that makes a gift set. So what you can do is use this, which is an envelope inside, to put a gift card, notes, pictures, what have you, to give to the recipients. So I took the Posh Paper Ladies project of using 2 envelopes together and then used Cheri's cards faux museum art glass. So on the cover here, as you can see, is the window sheet from Stampin' Up! So the paper is World of Good, and it'll be available June 3rd for ordering. I used the die set from that set. So it's this stamp set and the dies that are part of a bundle. So when you order it as a bundle, you can get the stamp set and the die set for about 10% off. So this stamp set, along with the World of Good paper, designer series paper, equal, and plus the window sheets and the antique corners and slides. So that's what's in the corner of the card. So now below I will place a link to Posh Paper Lady's original project to show you how to make this card. And I'll also include a link to Cheri's cards that showed you how to do the museum glass. But I think it came out really nice. It makes a wonderful gift. Thank you, Posh Paper Lady, for the challenge. Thank you, my crafty friends, for joining me.